When the sun is clear and nobody's watching the shore, no one's wanna go for swimming in the sky. And now we're all at once and never say goodbye to all the memories we left behind. But it's not too late to say good morning. No, it's good evening to all of you guys. If you're wondering who this is Gawang Kuneho, who sing a song about the world of man, where we see the greatness of the stars. We walk through the sand where the shore meets the rain. Through the fire of the storm, it's so cold in the morning. But don't you worry, everything will be fine. Don't worry, just clear out your mind, and everything will be safe and wary. But if you call the weather's fine, together with the sunshine, it's all up to you. With the moon is the stars, the ocean got a blue. In the sunshine, in the shoes of walking through the storm. The lonely nights is fine to me with some bananas, very, very sweet bananas. If together we climb, we will reach the top and the highest stars we have to dream. Dreaming is all about living the life that you want for everybody in the world. And together we will solve the problem that they gave us. We will soon be satisfied to all our actions, and we'll be good.